Hi guys, welcome back to Personalized Spaces. So in today's episode, we're going to, I'm going to show you guys what happens when you have a car that whether the window gets broken into, like somebody breaks into your car and the window is broken, or it just, like mine, it just doesn't work. There's an electrical issue until we go and the places that are going to fix it, they need to order some parts. There's a few days in between. So because the weather is raining right now, then I can't just drive around obviously with no windows. So this is what I did. I just grabbed a regular plastic bag that everybody has at home. I cut this side of it. Let me show you guys. So this is my plastic bag. I cut all the way on the seam, okay? That part that is on the hole, it's the part that will go right here, okay? So the other edge is right here, and the part that I cut, so that way when you put it all the way down, okay, it's covered the entire window, so if the water falls this way, it's gonna just kind of droop down. It's locked in here, so when you close the door, this is sealed, that is sealed, so when you shut the door, it makes it easier for the water to come and then just kind of slide down so it doesn't get inside the water, inside the car. So this is just a little tip. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe to this video. Let me know in the comments if there's something that happened to you. You have an easier way or a different way to do it. And then we'll see you guys soon. Thank you.